Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a general love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus or Rising from 1st till the 7th of June 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the readings, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below, and they are pre-recorded courses. Please keep that in mind. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Libra. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. So I have the Four of Cups, okay? This is somebody who is quite disappointed regarding the situation. There is dissatisfaction, disappointment, and confusion too. Maybe they are having other options, but they are not able to find somebody like you, and or you are the best option that they have, and they're still looking for other options but not finding anyone good. Okay, cool. Let's clarify upset energy. Let's clarify the Four of Cups as their feelings for this, for you or for the situation. So I have the Chariot, the Seven of Pentacles, the Four of Swords. Okay, it's like this is somebody who is feeling like they should move on from the situation. They are waiting and watching and hoping for the deep rooted healing to happen so that they can move forward. So they try to connect with multiple people, but they are not able to find somebody as good as you are. Maybe they have this opportunity to come back to you, but right now they're feeling like, okay, they should remain detached and they should properly heal themselves, and they should wait and watch for some other opportunities maybe, or they should just wait and watch and then maybe think about the situation again between you and them. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Libra. So I have the Knight of Cups. From your side, you feel like there should be some kind of communication, genuine, heartfelt communication. Maybe some kind of apology kind of thing should be there. This person should come forward towards you with some kind of offer, message, communication, apology, something like that. And or you should be the one going forward towards them. But your heart is open to the idea of connecting with each other and expressing your feelings. Let's clarify the Knight of Cups as your feelings for this particular person or situation. I have the Knight of Swords and the Three of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles. You feel like this person is continuously running away from their own feelings. They're continuously creating heartbreak and hurt and pain in the situation. But if only they can act they can act properly, this situation can still be restored. This situation can still become a really beautiful and happy-go-lucky kind of situation, especially if you guys are already married to each other and or you guys share kids with each other. So you feel like this person and or you should go towards them and fix it with them, because right now there's a lot of hurt and pain involved in the situation. Instead of running away, you feel like facing the situation and sorting it out with them. And if you feel like they should come forward towards you, you are very open to the idea of healing the situation between you and them. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? So I have the Knight of Wands. Their intention here is to, okay, I don't think so, but I am thinking that is the intention right now. I'm not connected to the cards, I'm just reading the cards. Let's clarify the Knight of Wands before I'm going to jump into conclusion. They want to do something about the situation in an impulsive way, and or maybe they just want to keep things physical or intimate between you and them. They just want to enjoy the physical connection. It's bizarre, but this is what I'm getting. Can be very much possible. A lot of people do that in today's world. Let's clarify the Knight of Wands as their intentions. We have the Eight of Swords, the Two of Swords, and the Justice. Okay, so they don't want that thing actually. They just want to get out of their mental jail and overthinking. They just want to clear the air with you in some way, whatever is happening. And that includes clearing the air with you regarding the physical intimacy thing also. And they want you to do the right thing. They want themselves to do the right thing. So they want to do the right thing in this situation. They want to do justice in the situation, but somehow I'm getting the same message. But whatever is happening, they still want to keep the physical intimacy thing going. If you guys have strong physical chemistry or intimacy or something like that, at the same time they want to do the right thing. I don't know how it is possible. It's like I'm addicted to sweets, but at the same time I want to lose weight. That's what this person want. They're addicted to maybe the physical intimacy that you guys share with each other. And if you guys have never done that, they think about it a lot. They want to keep that energy. At the same time they want to do the justice. They want to bring everything to balance. That's, I don't know how that's possible. That's what I'm getting, if this is making any sense to you. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? High Priestess, you just want to keep your mouth shut and energies low key and do your own thing. And you just want to create some kind of mysterious and secretive kind of energies around the situation deliberately. And or you just want to play this game of I'm going to remain silent. They can do whatever the hell they want to do. They can, fly all over the world, and then they can maybe come back to me if they want to. If they want to, you just don't want to do anything. You just want to create certain kind of mystery and secretive kind of energies around the situation. Okay, I'll clarify this. Before that, let me tell you about the 7 day 7 Osho meditation workshop that I'm going to do online from 5th till the 11th of June 2026, from 4:30 till 5:30 in the evening. It's going to be a life changing event for those who want to start or restart their spiritual journey, or you want to enter into Osho's world and see how Osho meditation works. There's going to be a lot of fun energy, lot of healing, kundalini meditation, seven chakra meditation, grounding meditations, and a lot of dancing and laughter too. So this is especially for those people who are very anxious right now, stressed out right now, or burnt out, or they don't have time for themselves to enjoy their life. This 7 days can actually help you a lot in healing yourself. Even if you are not going to join the like all the 7 days, you can join 3 4. That is also going to help you a lot. The fees is not non-refundable. Please apply only if you are ready. And it's going to be a live event. No recordings will be provided because I'm not authorized to do that. For Indians, it's 3,500 rupees for 1 week workshop, and for others, it's 125 USD. It's quite affordable. So now you're getting the opportunity to start your journey, meditation journey. Um, I will see you on the other side, right? Even if I'm going to get one person in the workshop, I'm ready to do that because I have to start this, and I'm going to make this a point that I might take early retirement, 45 or 46. Till that time, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to spread Osho's word and Osho's work in the world. So that's why I'm keeping it like this. So hope to see you on the other side. Let's enjoy, let's party, let's have a spiritual party, and I'll see you, right? So let's clarify the high priestess as your intentions. Let me have a water break. So let's clarify the high priestess here as your intentions. So I have the Six of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and the King of Wands. Okay, you are like, okay. You want to bring a balance in a situation where both of you are very, very attracted, infatuated, and addicted to each other. You don't want to say anything. You don't want to do anything. It's just your intention to have a very balanced kind of approach, balanced kind of energy. Like whatever you guys are going to decide from both the sides, it is going to be mutual, and it is going to be like yes. So you want to have equal give and take of energy in a situation where I don't think so. It's like something related to commitment or marriage or something like that. It's related to one of those situations where the chemistry is so hot, you can say, or the bond is so intense, physical intense. I don't know what kind of reading is this today, but you want to bring a balance, bring us this energy of okay, equal give and take. This is your intention. You don't want to say it, you don't want to express it. It's just your intrusive thoughts or something, and you just want to make it happen. That's what should I say? Oh, weird. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys, honey, till the 7th of June, Libra. And this is funny, naughty, wow, weird, bizarre kind of reading. But it's making me like, Libra. It's not like just for intimacy, physical intimacy, you want this connection in your life. Actually, every kind of intimacy, every kind of chemistry, but more than anything else, it's like that. Five of Pentacles as outcome is like feeling left out in the cold, certain kind of loss or losses, and not feeling very good about it. Let's clarify the Five of Pentacles here as a potential outcome. I have the Ace of Wands, the World card, and the Hanged Man. It's like the intrusive thoughts are going to remain thoughts only. They are not going to come to fruition because the situation in itself is going to be on halt. H-A-Alt, H-A-L-T, halt, or hold, you can say. One of you is going to be like, I'm not playing this game anymore, I'm out of this. And one of you is still hoping for the situation to work out in a very different kind of a way. Not in that way only, but in a different kind of way. And the other person might not be interested. So the situation is going to be on hold, and one of you is going to be like not playing this game. The other person is going to feel left out in the cold by the other person here because they right now are not ready, and it's going to bring the situation on hold. Okay, I don't see like full on I don't care about your existence or something like, no. It's like, yeah, I'll think about it, but not right now. Okay, that kind of thing. Let's see the guidance here. I have the Ace of Swords, the Seven of Wands, and the Four of Pentacles. Okay, before you guys are going to open up to the situation, okay, before you guys are going to let your guards down or start expressing, start like letting your heart open to the situation, I am talking about both the parties here. You guys should have a proper crystal clear clarity, mental clarity, and understanding of what this situation represents to both of you, and how this situation is going to be, and how it is going to move forward in the coming future. Once you guys are going to have a crystal clear clarity and understanding of what this situation is and how it is going to unfold in the coming future, things are going to be far, far, far better for you guys. But sticking to the reality and the truth of the situation is more important than like, yeah, I have the clarity, and then falling for the trap of they are the one to blame here, they are the one to blame here. So whatever you guys are planning to do, you guys should take the responsibility of the outcome also. Okay, that is the guidance. Don't live in any kind of illusion or delusion. I don't have to tell a Libra about that. You guys are already in a balanced kind of energy, justice kind of energy, but this is what it is. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Libra. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough, pause and unpause whenever you feel like. And what else, if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts. 1, 2, 3, now. Okay, so the answer to your question is let go. Let go and let God. The God that doesn't exist. Let go and let existence, I guess. Anyway, okay. The let go card asks you to learn to love with an open hand, let universal flow come and go as it desires, and trust all is for your highest good. Something that is held and squeezed and restricted cannot grow or flourish. Release your troubles and desires to the divine and trust in spirit to find the perfect solution in the perfect time. So, this is the answer. So, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.